does each note get? How many beats does each note get? 2. Right. So I'm going to count the whole time. Oh, we're not playing right now. Yep. Alright, let's try it again. I'm going to tap this time. Make sure it gets 2 beats for every note. Alright? Get set. Bow on the A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Great. Yep, that's true. That's it. You guys got it. Alright? And we're going to stop. We're going to stop after that. Alright, so just no more. Let's try it one more time. No more after that. We're just going to do those 3 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that was the best yet. That was very clean. Great, great. So now we're going to go back, look again for another like 5 to 10 seconds. And I want you to see if you can tell me something that's similar about the notes that we're playing. So not the rhythm this time, but the notes. So just take a look. Everyone look at it for 5 to 10 seconds and see if you can figure that out. Right, you think you know it's this similar between the notes?
They don't like cut in through each line.
What do you mean by that?
Like so, the A note, it doesn't cut like it doesn't go in the middle of the line. It's like above the line. The D note's in the middle of 2 lines. The G note's at like the bottom of.
Yeah, you're on something there. That's very good. And what do we know about A, D, and G? How do we play them?
They're open.
Exactly.
They're
Yeah.
all open?
Yeah. There's no fingers down.
I thought this was a G on the D.
No, you can play them all open,
Oh.
which is really helpful. So we don't have to worry about the fingers. Yeah.
I can't press the thing with the G.
Yeah. So we did the A, D, A, which you see we do twice, right? So we do it the first time, we do it the second time, and then this next little phrase, we're starting on what string? When we start in bar or at circle 1, what string are we on?
Like the G string?
G string, correct. Yep, and then we move to what string before the next rest, before circle 2?
The D string?
Right, and remember every note still just gets the same amount, alright? So let's try that. Let's try going from circle 1 to circle 2, and it's on the open strings the whole time. So you can go ahead and even put your fingers or your hand on the, like here, like you've got it here on the body of the instrument. You can go ahead and just put your hands down here. Yeah. Alright, so let's start at circle 1, we're going to circle 2, alright? Starting on the G string, alright? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. You're hitting the wall. And it's not C string. Which one's G?
Wait.
Yeah, listen to yourself so you can hear the G string.
Yeah.
And we need more energy.
Yeah. So how many times do you play the G string? Everyone look, count. Katia, can you tell me how many times you play the G? 4. Right, and can you tell me how many times you play the D after it?
3.
3, right. So you just gotta count that in your head so you don't lose track of where you are. And then you should really when you're changing the bow, it should be a really firm change that we know that we're going to the next note. All right. Let's try it one more time. And yeah, and we're gonna sit up nice and tall. No elbows on the legs. Yes, that looks so much better. You knew you had it in you. All right, here, scooch this to the side a little bit more. So let me try. Here, let go for a second. Let me take your head off of it for a second. Yeah, there you go. Come up over here. There you go. And then the side of your jaw in it, so you can tilt your head a little bit. There you go. Does that feel better?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks a lot better. There you go. All right, back off the back of the chair. Look at these two. They're looking really good. Elbow off. Come up straight. Yeah, you got it. You got it.
Hold on this wall.
You got it. You got it. Come over this way.
It hurts a lot though.
What's hurting? This part?
Because this metal part's going smack into my neck.
Okay. Let's see if we can help with that. Here. Do you mind if I hold it for a second?
Sure.
Let's see if we can get it over here more. And now the side of your jaw in there.
Still hurts a lot because this size isn't really my size.
Okay, that's okay. Tilt your head a little bit. This way. There it is. Yeah.
It actually is your size. That's the size I want you to get at some point soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the bow's messed up because this thing's moving. So my bow
sorry.
jar is messed
Yeah.
up.
Okay.
It's okay.
So
just
my
scooch it out a little bit more so it's
off.
not on your neck as much. Does that make sense? Bring it out farther away on your shoulder.
Whenever I try fixing my bowl holder, it ends
Yeah.
up messing up my hold.
Yeah,
My
it's okay.
jaw.
You're working on it. You got it. You got it. Great. Does that feel a bit better? Because you can still come it a little bit this way. so that it's not pushing in your neck.
Not really.
This way.
Wait.
Make sure your elbow's off here too.
Can they try to play the whole
Yeah.
thing?
Yeah.
I mean, we have to play it through all these songs next week, and
Yep.
I'm concerned that there's.
Not enough time?
Yeah.
We just need a run through.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's do it.
Sitting up.
Remember, it's
on the
all.
edge of your chair.
Yeah, you got it. You can do it. All right. Yeah. So remember, it's 2 beats for each one except for the last one, and we're always on the open string. So I'm gonna call out the strings as we go. All right. 1. We're gonna start at A, so past the 2 measures of rest. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, A, rest, rest. A, D, A, rest, rest. G, G, rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. D, 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 D. A, rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. D, D, rest, rest. Yeah, and that's the last one's just 1 beat, right? Yeah, you guys followed all the way through though. That's really important, and you guys you always have to keep
Good.
moving as a group. Yeah, you guys, that was really, really good.
Are we doing puppet parade for the concert?
No, we'll do it for the next one.
Yay!
Because we're not prepared for them.
Oh.
That's all right. Yeah, this is sounding really good. Do we have more time? Are we out of time? Or
You have a minute?
a minute? Great.
Can we do it in a minute?
No, that's all right. Yeah, so just remember it's on the open strings, and make sure when we're bowing on the open strings, you guys watch me for a second. Make sure, one thing I noticed when we were doing that, so is that we want to make sure our bow is staying like parallel to the bridge here, right? So like really straight. So you can watch the bow and make sure that it's staying like the same distance away from the bridge the whole time, right? And that's why we did the rocket ship exercise. It helps us keep that wrist bend. See, yeah, it looks the same, doesn't it? When you're bowing up the string, it looks the same as when you're going up and down like the rocket ship. So you can practice that whenever you need to work on that. All right? Great.
When I'm playing,
Make sure the bow hold is getting a little.
weekend,
So it's what?
so it starts like something.
Yeah. So that can happen when you're moving off. I think it's happening when it's like not staying parallel. So make sure first of all this can come a little here. Let go for a second. Come a little farther down. You guys can go ahead and pack up. So like make sure you loosen the bows and take the shoulder rest off. So like that looks a little bit better. It's gonna come up a little higher. Great. And then here. Yeah, so if you stay straight, it'll keep it nice and full, but if you get like over here, you'll get like that squeakier, or like you'll get a like squeakier sound. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So you want to stay right in that middle
Hey.
section there. Great. Everyone loosen their bows.
Yeah.
All right, hopefully that'll start to feel better.
Well,
This is yours?
Actually, no. This is actually mine.
Mhm.
So no, so because I forgot mine.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
help me.
Yeah, I'll help you. Remember, you guys, next week is our concert. We're
I'm
black
I'm
and
so
white.
scared.
Bring
I
your
am so
instruments.
scared. I don't